Hi there and welcome to today's video. And today we are talking about how to visually transform a luxury brand. And the brand I will be talking about today is a luxury vehicle rental business. Let's get into it. And before we continue with this video, I just wanted to apologize that the light will be different. We have a cloudy day today, so it's sunny, it's not sunny, and also I don't want to use my studio light because when I have it on in front of me, it feels like I'm sitting in the sauna. So my apologies for the light, but let's continue with this video. So I was working as a creative director and a photographer for this project. Today I'm going to cover creative director side of this project, but if you're interested in photography side, then I will link my previous video in the description box for you to check it out. So as a creative director, I was responsible for the whole vision. My clients wanted to achieve a professional, high quality look that fully aligns with their product, luxury cars. And my objective was to build a plan to help them achieve that. The first thing I did was to evaluate what kind of visuals on social media and website they currently have, and if those visuals align with their product, which was not the case. They had only few phone-taken photos and stock photos on their social media, and also no website at that time. So for me, what it meant was that we had to start from scratch. The second thing I did was do my research. I looked what their competitors' visual representation look like and what the top rental places, photos and videos look like. That gave me an idea to which direction I should go. The third thing I did, I started to collect an inspiration folder. I pulled various photos from different luxury car companies and photographies around the world, and then I started to think what can be achieved in the city where my client's business is located. During that time was winter, and nature during winter in that city was not looking attractive, which would have not aligned with a luxury product. So I decided to go for minimalistic style, choosing tall, interesting architecture having buildings. Environment like that was providing class, which is important for luxury, and also that type of photos can be used all year round because they do not show a season. So for starter project, that was a win. The other thing I had to pay attention to was that my client wanted to have not only car photos, but also a lifestyle piece. So to achieve that, I brought models. If we are looking from psychological side of selling things or service, people buy things usually not because they just like it, but because how that product or service will make them feel. So incorporating lifestyle photos was important because customer, based on the examples, will have a bigger imagination on how they're going to look like and feel while they're driving a Maybach, Rolls-Royce, or Lamborghini. So here are some lifestyle examples that I shot with my models. So to summarize, if you are working on helping to build or rebrand a luxury brand, my advice for you would be to evaluate their current visual state, do research on their competitors' visual representation, gather photo shoot ideas that align with your client's brand, Make sure the location fits well, and next to product photos, incorporate lifestyle images as well. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.